Hey there, keyboard enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel where we dive deep into the world of mechanical keyboards. Today we have something extra special for you. We're going to be reviewing the highly anticipated Keychron Q1 Pro. Now, I know you've been eagerly waiting for this one, so let's not waste any more time and jump right into it. The Keychron Q1 Pro. The name itself exudes a sense of superiority, as if it's here to conquer all other keyboards in the realm. Well, let's find out if it lives up to the hype. The first thing you'll notice about this keyboard is its stunning build quality. It's constructed like a tank with a hefty aluminum frame that screams durability. And can we take a moment to appreciate those bezels? They're thinner than a strand of hair. Seriously, it's like the keyboard went on a diet. Now let's talk switches. The Keychron Q1 Pro comes with hot swappable switches, meaning you can easily swap them out without any soldering required. It's a dream come true for customization junkies, and boy, there are a lot of switch options to choose from. The only downside is that if you prefer imperial measurement units, you might find yourself in a bit of a pickle. Metric is the way to go here, my friends. Keycaps, the icing on the mechanical keyboard cake. The Q1 Pro allows you to easily customize your keyboard's look with a variety of aftermarket keycaps. I mean, who doesn't want to express their personality with a keycap set that screams, "I'm the coolest cat in the typing town"? And now let's shed some light on the Q1 Pro's lighting effects. This keyboard offers a rainbow of colors, customizable through its software. You can even create your own mesmerizing light shows to impress your friends or just annoy your co-workers. The choice is yours. Finally, the moment you've all been waiting for, the typing test. Let's see how this baby performs. That sweet sound of clicking. The Q1 Pro delivers a delightful typing experience with its satisfying feedback. It's like a symphony of precision, or maybe more like a cacophony for the non-ASMR enthusiasts out there. But hey, different strokes for different folks, right? So, after spending quality time with the Keychron Q1 Pro, I must say it definitely lives up to the hype. The build quality, customization options, and that oh-so-sweet typing experience make it a top contender in the mechanical keyboard world. Just remember, if you're more comfortable with those freedom units and can't handle a bit of metric, well, you may want to bring a conversion chart along for the ride. God, that was rubbish. That's it for today, folks. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell so that you don't miss out on future keyboard adventures. Until next time, keep typing away and stay snarky.